This is a quick review of the Sentry CT TruXedo bed cover on the Nissan Titan XD Pro 4X. I found it very easy and simpler to install with the railing system because the rails, these attachments, they slide in here and connect in here, connect and grab it in here. Yes, it does go in. You have to turn it sideways, however, but it screws down. I just wanted to give y'all a quick look at this and look how smooth it looks on top. Yes, get a good picture. Sentry CT tonneau cover, and of course, as you know, release it, you have to grab the handle and it rolls. It's the hard rolling cover that rolls all the way back. It's gonna give me enough room for the fifth wheel towing. As you know, I got the puck system. Just remember, if you get it, to always lift this before you close this. But however, I like this fact. Check this out. Of course, it locks. It even gives you that space so the branding will show Titan. And I like it because it's Velcro, no installation, no drilling whatsoever of any kind. You don't have to drill into your bed of any kind, no drilling or whatever. All you got to do is put down the clamps, put this on top. It secures on this end with some sliding latches that hold it, and it's nice. It's the Sentry CT TruXedo tonneau cover on the Nissan Titan Pro 4X. By the way, this is a 23 model. That's all I wanted to show you.